Anda tidak punya semua ini juga, hanya punya telur, itu sudah bisa bikin nasi goreng. Telur agar tadi kita bisa masukkan kembali, dicampurkan.
Now we are going to introduce the dish chicken karahi. Put little bit of oil on this charcoal and then cover it. Chicken karahi is ready. It is one of the most popular dishes in Pakistan.
Today I'm going to make the Tunisian octopus salad, the red chilies and some garlic in the blend. Just not too much quantity, just slowly. I'm going to put some little bit spice, olive oil. This is the way how to make harissa, homemade harissa, very easy. Then now you add your harissa. I'm going to make the little bit spicy. You can make easy in the house, not need too much ingredients, just octopus and parsley you can find easily in Japan.
I want this to be really green and nice.
Skål! Thank you, Johan. Beautiful.